What a lot of people don't realize is that what drags their FICO score down is their hard inquiries on their personal credit reports. And so in this video, I'm going to quickly share with you exactly how to remove those hard inquiries, even if they're inquiries that you authorized, so that you can not only boost your FICO score by 3 to 8 points per removed hard inquiry, but also make you much more creditworthy. Now, here's the problem that a lot of people don't understand, and that is when you have too many hard inquiries in the last 6 to 12 months, depending on how strict the bank or lender is, they frown upon that and they will not issue you new credit, even if you have a really good personal FICO score. I have students who have FICO scores of 720 and even higher, and they're unable to secure new unsecured credit cards or loans because they have 6, 8, even 10 hard inquiries in the last 6 months. And banks look at that as you reeking with desperation. So what I'd like to share with you is exactly how to remove those hard inquiries, even if you authorize them. So then that way you can massively boost your FICO score, but even better, you can essentially trick the algorithm of the credit reporting bureaus as well as the lenders and banks that want to lend you money, and get them to want to give you credit, unsecured credit, because you now have tricked the FICO score algorithm. And so what I have for you is my free dispute letters at getdisputeletters.com or secretcreditletters.com down below. And you can download a special letter that can help you get rid of hard inquiries through the credit reporting bureaus. So step number 1 is to file a dispute with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, saying that the creditor or the furnisher of credit did not have something called permissible purpose, which is a federal law that's required for them to pull your credit and give you a hit on your FICO score. And so what you're saying is basically you didn't authorize it, or that you're not familiar with that hard inquiry. You don't touch soft inquiries, you only touch hard inquiries. So that's number 1. You always send these letters trackable mail. You send proof of your identification, including a copy of your driver's license and 2 utility bills showing your current address. You wait 30 calendar days, and then if they still don't remove those hard inquiries from your credit reports, then you target the furnishers directly, the ones that actually pulled your credit reports and gave you that hard inquiry. And you send them a variation of the same letter, which is again available at getdisputeletters.com or secretcreditletters.com. And you can send them the same letter that they did not have permissible purpose. And in many cases, 90% of the time, they will remove those hard inquiries because they don't want to deal with you. They don't want to fight with you. They don't want to have any problems or trouble with you. So when you're dealing with the furnishers or the creditors directly, you do not send them a copy of your ID. You do not send them your utility bills. You only do that with the credit reporting bureaus. And so you'll find that those hard inquiries will fall off your personal credit reports. They will make you much more credit worthy, and you'll be able to increase your FICO score virtually overnight.